Hi guys, it's Chris. I hope you're well today. In this video, a must-have again, a tool all of you must have in their workshop, a standard crankset puller. Let's take a look at it. Unior's crank puller is made from drop-forged, hardened and tempered special tool steel. It is finely blackened for further durability. It is compatible with all modern N22x1 standard crank arms. The pin has been designed for compatibility with standard tapered axles, but also Octalink and Isis bottom brackets. The tool features a 14mm hexagonal socket to remove and install traditional crank bolts. A 17mm flat wrench or an adjustable wrench should be used to tighten the lower part of the tool into the crank arm. A 17mm flat wrench, adjustable wrench or 14mm Allen key should be used to tighten the top part of the tool, extracting the crank arm. All good, I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, feel free to leave a comment below and like the video, of course, if you like the video. Until then, I'll see you next time.